The premium is just kind of like, eh, eh. Hey everyone, I just got back from an extremely early morning wedding, and when I say extremely early, it means it was at 5:30 in the morning that I showed up for the bride. It was fabulous. She looks great. I'm really happy. But anyways, I showed up back at work to drop off my kit, and look what I got. My first Boxy Charm Premium. I a few weeks ago signed up for the premium. I know, I have a problem. I really have a problem. Anyways, so I'm really excited. This is my first premium pack ever with Boxy Charm, and I'm really excited to see what I got and see if it's worth the extra money, people. I mean, come on. It's not like I don't spend enough already, so here we go. All right. Box is open. What did you give me, Boxy Charm? Is it worth it, man? Okay, so we have go-to exfoliating swipies, foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin, 50 pads. I don't know if I'll be able to use it. It has aloe vera. I will not be able to use it, so guess what? It's going into my prize pile. Someone will win that at some point. Ooh, Fenty Beauty. Fenty by Rihanna. I'm a little upset. It's crushed. Let's see, what do we got? It is a Brow MVP Ultrafine Brow Pencil and Styler. Ooh, nice. Nice little mini brush, can you see? To brush out those eyebrows. And a pencil. I'm kind of really addicted to eyebrow mascara. So, and I can't use this in my pro kit because you can't really decontaminate it, and there's no point in using the brush on it because you can't use it professionally anyways. So this will also go into my, actually I'm going to give that to a friend because I think she'll like it. Okay, we have Casa's Color and Light Cream. It's a cream blush and highlighter. Eighth Muse. Let's see. I'm not a big fan of cream-based products. Not that they don't work. They work excellent. It's more of I do long wear makeup and I don't want anything that's going to cause melting or anything with sweat or anything like that. So I like this. They are cream based, but those are beautiful colors. Those are really lovely colors, but I don't do cream based. Some people really love cream and they are really nice and natural and they do give a soft dewiness to your overall effect. Unfortunately for extended wear like my clients are going for, I need them to be able to dance and sweat and boogie all day, and I'm not there to do touch-ups, so I tend to avoid the cream-based products. But this is really beautiful, so I just need to find someone who wants to use cream-based. So again, to my prize pile. Okay, what else do we got? Save the date, candy shop. Ooh, members only online pop-up is going to be starting. Oh, this tells me what pricing on everything. Sweet. So is this just my normal Boxy Charm? I think it's my premium Boxy Charm. I'm thinking so. I don't know. I'm not that impressed. Like, price point isn't like crazy expensive. So is this just my normal Boxy Charm? It doesn't seem any different. I'm like, how am I paying more money? 2, 4, 6. Well, maybe because I'm getting 6 instead of 5 items? I don't know. All right, and then right here we have 50 Kisses. It's a Laura Geller lip locking liquid color. Oh, that's a beautiful color. That would even look really good on me. Okay, I'm keeping this one for myself. No one gets that one. And then I have a Murad Hydrating Toner. Nice. Toners are fabulous. Nice tightening the skin and all that good stuff. But please tell me I can use it. Where are your ingredients? So I really hate when they give you a product and they do not tell you what is in it. Don't they realize that people have allergies? Why are you not telling me what comes in it, man? It says chamomile and cucumber. That was on this, not on this. Very annoying. Might not be able to use it on myself. Might. We'll see. It's a lotion tonic. Fabulous. So basically, if this was the premium box, I'm not that impressed with the premium box, you guys. Not for the extra money that I paid. We have an Illuminati's Glam palette. That is cool. I really wanted to be impressed by the premium box, especially for an additional $35 a month. I was expecting a little more. Yeah, it's got Laura Geller and Murad in it, but I've gotten Fenty products before and a lot of really good stuff before with just the normal Boxy Charms. And, ooh, now that is a pretty little palette, but you know we've all gotten beautiful palettes before. This is really that purple dream. Oh my god, I'm in love. Oh, that's beautiful. Gonna have to do a little review on that one. But overall, to sum up, I am really not impressed with Boxy Premium. I don't see how it's really any better than the normal Boxy Charm. It's not that much better. It's definitely not as good as the Luxe. The Boxy Luxe, you get really nice products and really high-end products. And this one, I mean, nothing was more, like the most expensive item in there was $48 for the palette. And I think I got maybe one or two more items, so I don't really think the premium is worth it. I may try it for one more month, but really at this point, I kind of just feel like canceling the premium and sticking with the Boxy Luxe and the Boxy Charm, because I'm pretty satisfied with those, and the premium is just kind of like, eh. So that's my 2 cents. Until next time, peace out, people.